Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima side mirror. This is a straightforward process that you can do yourself with a few common tools. You will need a plastic trim tool, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. Having an extender for your ratchet can also be very helpful. Make sure you have your new side mirror ready before you begin. First, we need to access the mirror's mounting points. Begin by removing the small cover behind the inner door handle and unscrewing the bolt. Next, carefully pry up the window switch panel and disconnect its electrical connectors. You will find a few more 10mm bolts securing the door panel. Remove these. Now, gently pull the door panel off, disconnecting any additional wiring. Remove the triangular interior cover and unplug the mirror's harness. Finally, unscrew the three 10mm nuts and take off the old mirror. Now, let's install your new mirror. Carefully position the new mirror onto the door, ensuring the mounting studs align with the holes. Hand tighten the three 10mm nuts first, then use your ratchet to tighten them firmly. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the mirror housing. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness to the new mirror. If your new mirror came without a painted cover, you might need to transfer the cover from your old mirror. Before fully reassembling, test your new mirror. Check that the power adjustments work correctly and any features like heating or turn signals function. Once confirmed, reattach the triangular interior mirror cover. Now, carefully align the door panel and push it back into place, ensuring all clips engage. Reconnect all electrical connectors for the window switch and other door components. Finally, reinstall all the screws and covers you removed earlier to complete the installation. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.